Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to see unsent messages on Messenger. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so just before we get started, just to let you know that this method only works if you are an Android user. Now, if you are an Apple user, it won't work as we don't have this application on store. So if we do search up on the application store for the Notice Save, we'll not be able to find it, but you can find it on the Google Play Store. So now that's cleared out of the way, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and search up for the application as we discussed, which is Notice Save. Now, when you are starting to download Notice Save on Google Play, you want to make sure that you allow access to notifications by turning on Notice Save, and you want to make sure that you allow Notice Save to have access to your photos, your media, and files. Now, there should be 3 dots followed by settings. Then go ahead and tap on that 3 dots. Now, next, what you want to do is tap on the Save Notifications, and then last step is to turn on Messenger. Now, let's just say you didn't have the option to download Notice Save. Is there another method to do so? Yes, there is. So, to see unsent messages on Messenger within an app, go on to your Android settings. So you'll see the apps and notifications or notifications. Now go ahead and tap on the notifications, and then what you want to go and do is click on notification history, and then after notification history, go ahead and turn on the toggle button to on, so you'll see use notification history, and that should allow you to see unsent messages from Messenger. But there you have it guys, that is how to see unsent messages on Messenger. If you found the video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.